...2018 Kia Optima. I am doing a diagnose on the rear suspension. I checked the swivel links and these are good. This car is making like clunky noise when you're driving it, and we find the problem, and the problem is on the shocks on both sides. If you see this bushing, you can take it off, and this bushing is supposed to be solid right here. It's why when you driving you can hear like a lot of noise, like clunky noise, like clack 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 clack. And this one is the same. You see, these shocks has a lot of play. Is why it's making a lot of noise when this car is driving on the streets. Is why always you need to do a good diagnose before you replace any part of the suspension, because that sounds almost like a swivel link, but this time swivel links are good, and the problem is it was the bushings of the shocks. Too much play. And to fix this car, I'm going to replace both sides with a new shocks. And this 2018 Kia Optima. And to take it off the shock, you have like this bolt right there that goes right here, and you have like two small bolts goes right there, one right here and the other one right here. And this is how you can take off this mount for the shock. I using a 17 to lose the nut. This is the mount for the shock. This is the new shock. You can see the difference. This bushing is complete solid, no play. And look, the old shock, you can take off complete this bushing. That's why you hear that clanky noise on your suspension. Okay, the only thing I need to do is to put it back. The only thing I need to do is put on the right position the shock, put the lower bolt and the 2 bolts on the mount of the shock. It's right here, the bolt on the bottom on top. This is the new shock. It's only 1 bolt, and you see right here, this way it's more easy for you to put this bolt right here. And after that, the only thing you need to do is use your jack to push it. To push it up and put just these 2 bolts right there, and only tie the bolts, and this job is ready. This is how you replace your shocks on the rear 2018 Kia Optima. Okay, this shock is ready, and this bolt is 19, and these 2 are 14. Okay, this Kia is Optima 2018 is fixed. You can hear the difference. It's no more bumpy noise. Thank you for watching this video, and bye.